Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC that say plug in your PC, we can't reset your PC while it's running on battery power. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung control panel, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung category. So kailangan mo lang i-select tong arrow na yan, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung large icon para makita mo lahat yung settings. So click mo lang yan. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung power options. So click mo lang yan. At madadirect tayo dito sa power option settings. So ang next step, choose a prepared plan from given options. So dito lang sa choose or customize sa power plan. So dito sa selected plan ay select ka lang dito kung ano yung pwede mong gamitin na power options. Alright? So select mo lang dito yung balance. And then next step, so once na-select mo na siya, and then close lang natin. And other solution na pwede nating gawin. So dito lang ulit sa search menu, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na power cfg space dash duplicates scheme, and then may kasunod dito mga numbers and later na combination mga kaibigan. So copy lang natin yan. And then next step ay dito lang sa taas kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung edit, and then select mo lang dito yung paste, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na control plus B, and then click lang natin yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. So after dito, once na-enter mo na siya, and then close lang natin tong CMD, and then next step dito lang sa start menu, at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganoon lang po ka-simple on how to fix we can't reset your PC while it's running on battery power. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.